deep beneath the waves.
A symbol of luxury, loft to the ocean. Every touch reveals a forgotten story. Even icons fade when time takes control. The ocean never rushes, it slowly reclaims. The ocean never rushes, it slowly reclaims.
Patience is the first step to recovery. Carefully, we prepare to bring it back. After years of silence, it moves again.
Some legends sink, only to be found again.
After years below, it finally reaches the surface.
Salt leaves scars, but every wash is a beginning.
Layer by layer, the past is covered. No rush, only patience.
Even chrome remembers the ocean.
Time leaves marks, we face them gently.
Slow movements, careful pressure, steady hands. Protection begins before beauty returns.
Clean, calm, ready for the next chapter.
Inside, the silence still lingers.
We start by listening and removing what no longer belongs. Leather remembers every moment. Whew, every year. Care restores what time tried to erase.
Crafted wood, treated with patience. Grain by grain, the warmth returns. Grain by grain, the warmth returns. Every fiber releases the past.
Details matter, especially in silence. Clean, quiet, almost alive again.
Before correction, we observe everything. Protection comes first, always.
Just enough, never too much.
Slow passes, steady rhythm.
The shine was always there. Now we refine, not rush.
Every curve deserves attention. Protection seals the effort.
Smooth, deep, restored, stored. This is where it breathes.
Time and salt leave residue.
Every space matters. Heat releases what clings.
Controlled, never rushed.
Drying is protection. Drying is protection. Flexibility returns. Clean. Balanced. Ready.